Wait na natin try kainin. So first, we'll try the normal siopan. Sarap. Sarap. A little crispy outside and very buttery inside. Very chewy. Not overpowering yung butter. Ito yung may truffle. Ayan. Like may aftertaste talaga ng truffle. You can smell it. I kinda like it. The last one that we have, yung melon pan. So it's the same thing pero may crunch on top. Crap. I think for a dessert type, parang siya yung pinaka-okay. Kasi not overpowering yung sweetness. Pero matamis. Hindi nakakaumay. I like. So tomorrow baka dumaan tayo and we'll get some to take home. Yes, okay. So that's it for now. Nairaos natin ang ating review. I can take this home so we can eat later. Okay, bye-bye.